This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the mushroom box card. So I had to change a few colors, and that's why things are a little bit scattered here. I don't see the top to my acorn. Well, I will probably have to cut another one. But we can put it together without it, so. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do is I've already put the panel pieces on, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and fold the card on the score lines, and I'm going to attach the front and the back. Okay, I used a decorative piece here for the inside, and then you take this piece, and this is what makes your envelope look more realistic. And you just glue that right here on the front. And then I'm going to use a little bit of foam tape to pop my acorn up. Can't believe I lost the top to it. It might show up still. Then this just glues right here onto the front of the card. It would look better with the cap to the acorn. There we go. Now we can set that aside. And let's pull this one in. The first time I cut this, I had these dark, and that's the same color as the base, so I had to recut these. I might have accidentally thrown away the cap to my acorn because I had to recut it as well. I'm just putting a dot of glue on each leaf to hold it down. And then I think I'm going to use some foam tape on these. think the colors of this look better on in the file. I couldn't find papers to be the exact colors that I had designed it with, but this isn't too bad. You can do all kinds of different colors with this one. You can change it up and do some spring colors. Do a green leaf. Use brighter colors all around. That would look really nice. Okay, this leaf I'm going to use some foam tape. Okay, now let's assemble the mushroom. I think I might put this one piece on with foam, so I'm going to put the hood on first. Sticking to my fingers. Yeah, that was the right call. That makes that look, gives a dimension there from the back. I would have liked to have popped up the top, but with the way I designed it, I couldn't. So because I have foam tape on my leaf right there, I'm just going to put foam tape up here at the top. Make sure to get it under that leaf. And then I'm just going to put glue here on the bottom. There we go. Okay. And the one thing I forgot to do was I forgot to put the sentiment panel on the back. Okay. And now, to do the inserts, we're just going to stand our card up. And we're going to start with the back panel and work forward. Again, we're going to just lay this down right across the back. Fold that over. I really thought that I would find the top to my mushroom, the top to my acorn. And now we're going to take this layer, make sure you've folded it on the score lines. Again, we're going to put glue just on the one side. Gonna, lay it down in there. Catch that end. When you're using foam tape, you do need to really make sure you've got it lined up across the bottom, because the foam tape makes it rest differently. So now we're going to put glue on these two tabs. We're going to bring this over, and this is the piece right here we're gluing it to. And you do want to make sure to go both ways, especially when you've got that foam tape in there. Now we're going to put glue here on this tab so we can close it up. There we go. Fold it both ways. And then there is the mushroom box card. Thank you for joining me.